Hello, I got your question about how to use StatCrunch on this one here on 839. So you need to hit Stat and then go down to the let's see, hit Stat, and go down to T-Stat, and then choose Paired, the bottom choice. And so you got Paired T. Then you have three columns here. You want to use weight before. Select it first based on this problem, then you do weight after. That's what this problem over here tells us to do. Then down here we do want to save the differences, and you enter the greater than, and if you hit compute, it'll give you this number here, the difference, and it'll also give you the standardized test statistic to 6.907. So it'll give you those two numbers. It will not give you this one. So you click save the difference, and then when you compute, you get a new column of numbers, which will be the difference in these two columns. And then to get this one, you'll come back to Stat, and then choose Column Stats, and choose that new column, and tell it to calculate the standard deviation like you have in the past. That's an old item, not something new to this section. Hope that helps.